Hello, everyone. I'm James, and we're so happy to have you here with us today.
Hi, I'm Anna. Welcome to a brand new adventure. This is more than just travel.
We've officially started a world tour.
Yes, we're going to explore 90 different countries.
We'll look at cultures, daily life, famous places,
And of course, street food and local flavors.
all while helping you learn real, natural English.
If you enjoy learning English this way, please like this video.
Your likes and follows really support us and help this series grow.
And sharing this with someone who wants to learn English helps a lot too.
Today is day 1 of our journey.
And we're starting in the Netherlands, in Amsterdam.
Wow.
James,
Look at these canals. I didn't expect to see so many.
me neither. They're literally everywhere in the city.
What? Amsterdam is really famous for them, right?
Yes, and the most amazing part is that people actually live here.
Oh, on boats. That still feels unbelievable to me.
Imagine waking up every morning on the water.
It sounds peaceful, but also very lively.
People walk, bike, talk, and meet friends around the canals. It feels very social and open. I heard there are more canals here than in Venice.
Seriously? That's shocking.
No wonder this is one of the most famous places in the Netherlands.
All right, now let's take a look at what the city is like together. It's Zest? Anna, I honestly can't stop looking around. There are bikes everywhere I turn.
I know! I've never seen a city like this before. It feels like bikes rule the streets, stop, and bicycles.
They really do. Cars actually stop and wait for bicycles here. You know that in the Netherlands, people ride bicycles everywhere?
That shocked me at first. In many countries, it's the opposite.
And look at the bike lanes. They're wide, clear, and very organized.
You really need to pay attention when walking. Bikes move fast,
People bike to work, to school, even to go shopping.
and they do it in any weather. Rain doesn't stop them at all. This says a lot about the culture.
Yes, it feels healthy, practical, and very Dutch. All right, let's move on to another famous spot.
Let's head to the flower market together. Wow, this place is very colorful. I didn't expect it to look like this.
Yes, it's beautiful. This is the flower market. You can see flowers everywhere.
I see many tulips. I knew tulips were popular here, but not this popular.
That's true. Tulips are very important in the Netherlands.
There are so many colors: red, yellow, purple, and even black.
Yes, people love the different colors. They buy tulips as gifts and souvenirs.
Do people buy them for their homes too?
Yes, many people use them to decorate their houses.
I heard tulips were very expensive a long time ago.
That's right. In the past, during tulip mania, tulips were worth more than gold.
Wow, that's hard to believe.
Yes, it's an interesting part of history.
Walking here feels special, and it smells really nice.
Let's go to another famous place. I'm getting hungry.
Great idea. I could really eat some fries now.
Wait, do you smell that?
Yes! Fries. Dutch fries are very famous, right?
Yes, they are. Many people love them here.
They look different from the fries I know.
That's true. They are thicker and softer inside, and they come in a cone.
That looks fun.
Yes, people usually eat them from a paper cone.
Look at the sauces. There are so many choices.
I know. You can choose mayo, peanut sauce, or curry sauce.
I want to try peanut sauce.
Good choice. People eat fries at any time of day here.
Yes, for lunch, dinner, or even late at night.
This is real street food culture.
Simple, fast, and very delicious.
Trying local food helps us understand the city.
I agree. Food tells a story.
Those fries were really good.
Yes, I loved them. Dutch street food is amazing.
Now let's try another famous Dutch food.
Cheese, right?
Exactly. Let's go to a Dutch cheese shop.
Perfect. I'm ready to taste some cheese. I feel like every street has a cheese shop.
Yes, there are many cheese shops here. Cheese is very important in the Netherlands, right? That's right. Cheese is a big part of Dutch life.
We eat best. This feels more than just food.
Yes, it is also tradition.
Some of these shops look very old.
Many cheeses are made with old methods. That sounds fascinating.
I like that we can taste the cheese.
Me too. It helps us choose the right one.
Some cheeses smell very strong.
Yes, they do, but they taste very good. There are also soft cheeses and hard cheeses.
I see young cheese and old cheese. Oh, there are so many kinds.
Yes, it can feel a bit overwhelming.
Now I understand why Dutch cheese is famous.
Exactly. This is real Dutch cheese culture.
Thank you. The cheese was really delicious.
Yes, thank you very much.
I'm glad we tried Dutch cheese.
Me too. It was a great experience.
Now I feel like sitting down and relaxing.
Same here. Let's visit a cafe.
Good idea. Amsterdam has a great cafe culture.
Perfect. Let's go. I really like the cafe culture here. It feels calm.
Yes, I agree. People are not in a hurry.
Yes, back home, people drink coffee very fast.
Here, people take their time.
Coffee feels...
Different here. Yes, it feels like an experience.
I see people talking and laughing.
I also see people reading or working.
Some people are just sitting quietly.
Yes, and no one feels rushed.
That surprised me.
Me too. You can stay as long as you want,
Yes, it's nose fee. It feels very social.
but also very personal.
I think this shows daily life in Amsterdam.
Life feels slower and more relaxed here.
Is waffling. This waffle is delicious.
Yes, it's so warm and sweet.
I could sit here for hours.
Same. This place feels warm and welcoming.
Shall we go and explore the city more?
Sure, let's use public transport
Good idea. Trams are everywhere in
in Amsterdam. Yes, they are a big part of daily life here.
Agvids, Rigiskias. Let's take a tram and see the city.
Perfect. Let's go.
Public transport here is very easy to use.
Yes, you don't need to buy a ticket every time.
You just tap your card and go.
That's very convenient for visitors.
And for people who live here too.
The tram is clean and quiet.
Yes, and people are very calm.
Even when it's busy, it feels organized.
I like that. It makes travel less stressful. Moving around the city feels easy. Public transport is a big part of daily life here.
Many people use trams every day.
It is simple and efficient.
Where should we go next?
There is an important place nearby.
Really? Where?
'Tis the Anne Frank house.
I've heard a lot about it.
Yes, it's a very meaningful place.
Let's get off at the next stop.
This stop is where we'll get off to explore the city.
Let's go together.
This place feels very different from the rest of the city.
Yes, it is much quieter here.
The atmosphere feels very strong.
I agree. It makes me feel serious.
Anne Frank's story is known all over the world.
Yes, many students learn about her at school.
I read her diary when I was younger.
Me too. But being here feels different.
Standing here makes the story more real.
It helps us understand history better.
It also makes me feel sad.
Yes, but it is important to remember.
People are very quiet here. They speak softly, out of respect. This is not just a tourist place.
No, it is a place to think.
And to remember the past.
I'm glad we came here today.
Me too. This place teaches us many things.
Some lessons stay with you for a long time.
And honestly, it feels like we learned so Netherlands.
And honestly, it feels like we learned so much about the culture, the food, and daily life.
And we did it all through real conversations.
But this is only the beginning. We're traveling to 90 countries.
Different cities, different cultures.
Different ways people live and speak English. Next time, a new place. New streets, new food. This, and new surprises.
If you want to keep learning English this way,
Follow us and leave a comment.
tell us where
You want us to go next? Join us on the next adventure.
This world tour has just started.
Racking